Hello everyone, I hope you're having a great time. Welcome to another episode of MidJourney in Architecture. In this episode, we are about to talk about tile labeling the textures in MidJourney. We can actually use MidJourney in some situations for texturing, and there's a parameter here that is rather useful, --tile. And it gives us the ability to tileable the texture that has been designed, and then when we want to use it in some software, we can actually repeat it. I'm going to go with a simple example. I run Imagine and type my prompt. Simple wallpaper texture, plain background. This is my prompt. Now it can be anything. It can be concrete texture or wood. For example, green wood, brown wood, bright wood, or wood that has, let's say, texture, right? I've written it rather basically, but at the end of the prompt, you need to write --tile. Now, what it does is makes your texture tileable. Let's see the image. Let's see how it will be. Right. It is absolutely great now, isn't it? As I open this picture, you see that there are 4 pictures for you. And if, of course, I upscale one of them, for example, number 2, if I upscale it, I'm going to open it in browser, and this texture is tileable. Now, in order to put it into test, well, first of all, it's not only for MidJourney. In many other situations, when 3D architects work with tiles, it is absolutely useful. So there's a website called pchain.com. It's got a weird name. Once you click on that link there, you can actually upload your link. And of course, you can upload it, you can drag and drop, or you can just right-click, copy image, and then paste it in here. Right. Now, as you see, we got the wallpaper of that, and then we can see the tile using that thingy there. So as you see, the more we zoom it out or zoom it in, we don't see any lines. So this is completely correct, and we can use that. All we got to do is write our prompts. We can use the word texture in our prompt, of course. We can use plain background as well, if we want it to be simple or plain or any other expressions. But the point was that you needed to write --tile to be tileable, and we can use it. Right, that was everything about texturing and making the textures tileable in MidJourney. Have a good one.